give this power. Nothing in there. Where's the piece I just took off of that? Oh, right here. So this screws to the wall. And this is gonna go to this. It's rubber. This is rubber all around. Let's go into here, screws into that. Let's go. Why is this on an angle? Oh, maybe this is just to get it to turn. It's for splicing. This goes in like this. Oh yeah. Oh, to reset it. Where's the reset hole? Oh, reset right there. A tiny hole there. Security Torx, so it's got the little hole thing in the middle. Oh, this one doesn't. Oh, that's weird. That's funny. I should actually use this. How the hell does this thing work? This doesn't open up. All right. So anyway, okay, connect this up to Genie. All right, so I had a whole video how to connect this thing up to the phone, and I accidentally deleted them all. I had a bunch of videos. So anyway, when you first give it power, it's going to blink the red. Blink, 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 blink. If it doesn't blink like that, you're going to have to hit the reset button. We're talking about... did I show the reset button? Reset is right there. There's a little tiny reset button. You have to stick the little pin in there. But otherwise, it'll do the blink, 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 blink. You need to install the Genie app. You need to create an account. Install the Genie app. When it's doing the blink, 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 you open up the Genie app. And you're going to get this going. You're going to open the Genie app. You're going to tell it, you have to use 2.4 gigahertz. You're going to give it the password to your Wi-Fi. And then the unit is going to sit there blinking. And then after you give it the Wi-Fi password, it's going to put this screen up. And this is a screen that tells this, the password, the Wi-Fi and the password. So this will see that. You hold it up to the camera, it'll see that, and then it'll connect up to the Wi-Fi. And then it'll be on your Wi-Fi, and it should go to the blue light, like they're showing. Then it'll be connected. And then you can go in and you can name it. I just have it standard. You go in there and you can name it and all that stuff. You want to put a good SD card in there. I have a 64 gig, got in clearance, of course. You want to go into your settings. In here. Let's see. SD card settings. You want to go in here and then format your card. If the card isn't formatted, that's the first thing it's going to have you do. Format the card. Switch recording to SD card. Continuous recording. I have that going. Chime settings. I have it set to mechanical because I have a mechanical, but it's not working right now. I have to look into that, why that's not working. I have IR night vision on, so it's night here, and this can see outside right now. I have the speaker on. Here's your Wi-Fi signal. I have two-way turned on. Motion detection is on. Motion detection is on. Basic features. Not connected to this. I installed the newest firmware because it asked to do that. After you're connected, you're all good. It just sucks. I don't have the video. Let's see. I don't have what to show. Motion alerts. There's some motion alerts. Where are they? Is it playback? Looking for motion alerts. Come on, man. What's taking so long? Someone's knocking. That was someone that came to the door. Was ringing the doorbell. So even though I have the camera mounted that way, it's still catching who's there, and it caught them walking up to the door. And leaving because nobody was home. So this thing's pretty cool. It's got motion sensor. Unfortunately, it picked up a truck driving by, so I think I have to lower the motion sensing. Oh, there you go. All right, very important. Before you even hook up the doorbell, you need to come over here and add this thing. It's going to go transformer front. So you need to add this between those two. Otherwise, this thing is going to hum like crazy. I think this might be a capacitor. So those little lines going out there, you need to add those between those two. And then cut out here, take the doorbell off, and then it's going to go to these two, and then it's going to get power. First, I would test it to make sure that these are the right voltage. I tested this and it came up at 16 volts AC. It should be AC. Also, because we have this lip here and the hole is here, I'm going to have to put the camera sideways, because you can't put it flush this way because it has to go onto the mount upward and down, and I can't do that with this in the way. So I'm just going to make this hole a little bigger this way so I can get in the other stuff. I can't do this on camera like this. I'm going to end up screwing it up. But I'm going to have to mount the camera this way. And I already checked it. It's, with the doorbell on this side. So I'm going to have to mount it this way. And I already checked it. It does pick up the person at the door. Okay, so I got it that way. And we can push those in like that. I got it mounted. And then hopefully I can get this far enough over and in to get that on. Oh, got that installed. Let's see. I don't know if that's ringing the doorbell inside. Doesn't appear to be. It's not. I don't know what to do about that. Well, I got it installed and taped up there. The mechanical one isn't working. I don't know what to do. It's not ringing. It's impossible to hook it up wrong. It's AC current, so I don't know, maybe this doorbell just doesn't support it or something. I have mechanical turned on in the settings. I rebooted it and still nothing. So I don't know. I know if you don't have that module on, the buzzer just hums. It's like, so I don't know.